In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch live NFL games on YouTube completely free. Let's get started. You'll need no login, no YouTube TV, and no subscription. You can use Xbox, signed out of YouTube, and you can watch as a guest. You don't need to sign in, you don't need YouTube Premium, and you definitely don't need YouTube TV. Just open the YouTube app on your Smart TV, Xbox, PlayStation, or even on your phone and search for NFL Live or check the official NFL YouTube channel. When YouTube streams select live games, you can click and watch instantly. No account or payment required. These broadcasts sometimes happen during special events like international games. It's completely free with no interruptions or forced ads. You can sit back, enjoy the game, and cheer for your team without spending a dime. So if you have been thinking you need a subscription to catch NFL action on YouTube, now you know you don't. This might be part of YouTube's testing for more free live sports, so keep an eye out for future games. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.